Here I have Nokia T10, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open settings, then you should go to storage, then switch from this device to SD card, tap on 3 dots and select format. Then confirm it by tapping format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.